So number 38 is asking us to factor, and so we see three terms, so we know we're going to have to do the something times something with two parentheses and guess and check it. But before we ever do that, we should always check first if there's anything we can divide all of them by, pulling out a common factor. And I can see that all of these terms, they all divide by 3. And so, plus look at the multiple choices, they have that little hint. And also, all of the terms have a t in it, so I can divide everything by 3t. So I'm going to pull that 3t out into front and divide them all into, divide everything else inside by 3t. So we're undistributing that basically. So 12s squared t, well 12 divided by 3 is going to be 4. I still have the s squared since I didn't divide, and since t divided out, that's no longer there. Same thing with the minus 15st, I'm going to divide 15 divided by 3 is 5, so I have minus 5. The s is still there. And then negative 27t divided by 3t is going to be minus 9, and the t is gone. So now I am left with this, and I see, okay, it looks like I can probably factor this more since I don't see this still in my multiple choices. So going further, I can do 3t times, let's try and guess and check this. So it's 3 terms. So I'm going to set it up already. Now looking at the multiple choices again, I'm guessing one of them is going to be a 4s and the other one's just going to be an s. And also one of them is going to be a 9, so the other one must be a 1. So it looks like these are missing the 1s here, so these are all supposed to be 1s. And let's see what we get. So I want it to be negative, so one of them has to be negative. And since I wanted to add it to negative 5, I'll put the minus here and the plus here. But let's just double check we did that correct. So remember, the inside outside is the way we check this. So the inside is minus 9s, the outside is plus 4s, and this adds up to negative 5s, which does match up with the middle term here. So since this is the correct factorization, let's see which one matches up. I have 3t times 4s minus 9, so it looks like C, and times s plus 1, so the answer is C.